Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Dunkin Brands Group INC, and this is the weekly chart for that particular stock. So you can consider it as an intermediate or probably long-term trend analysis for for the company. And overall, if you can see, although there are lots of volatility in between, but end to end, if somebody is holding this particular script from the lows of 2011 or 12, so it has already given 340% worth of returns over a period of last 9 years. So that's a decent amount of return, and it also shows that although the stock the trend looks up, but it is not a kind of a stock which is running by a mile. It's like some companies are giving 500 or 1000% worth of profit, so this is not in that league. It is probably move in a normal way the stocks are moving. Okay, and as you can see from the lows of 2020, it has given 165 percentage worth of return. So this is quite normal. Now what has happened right now, that with this gap up, as you can see here, with this gap up, the stock has reached to a new territory. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now here we have, okay, here we have the trend. So let us just explain the current trend, and then we are going to look at the long term. So here you have the trend. Now if you are looking at this stock, so you can see that although the stock has made a breakout above $85, so 85 was the big resistance, and currently when the stock is trading above 85, anyhow it's a big breakout. But even after that, the stock, as you can see, there is a big gap up after $89. Okay, so this is another a spin in the tail, that it sharply shoots up. Now they sometimes look positive, sometimes the stock again retest the lows or trying to fill up the gap, which means that stock may again come back to 89 and again move up. This is also a scenario which one should not just forget about it. This is also a part of the game. So in case of any adverse scenario, first one should know that in any case, if the stock moves below $85, then the trend will get violated and the stock probably goes to the lower end of the range again. So if in case the stock does not hold 85, then we have our next target at 77, further we have 69, and probably we can see 62 on the lower end of the range. So I will not go below than this level. So these are the levels which one should look at. Now on the higher end of the range, okay, on the higher end of the range, you will have something like this. As you can see here, so this was your resistance. So if you look at a trend, now with this gap up, what has happened, because a 94 was the resistance, but with this gap up, it has actually broken out and sharply went beyond the resistance line and now it's a new trend. So let's understand this in a simpler way, that if the breakout holds, it means if the stock sustain and hold above 95, then we are going to look a bigger trend which is yet to arrive. Okay, so this is the thing which one need to understand, that a bigger trend is yet to come if the stock holds above $95, which we can see right now, and if it falls below 94.77, then we have 85, 77 and so on. Now the thing is, what is the next target? Okay, so that's the logical thing which one should ask. Now look at this. See, there are two ways to look at it. Okay, because this is a weekly trend and a big breakout has happened. So simply saying your big target will be the replication of your previous trend, which is the length of your previous trend was 117%. So you can expect the same thing on the higher side as well. So it means the target which one should expect on the higher side is around $180. Okay, so obviously it will take couple of years, at least 3 to 5 years, but this is what one should look at. But there is one intermediate level which one should not forget, and that is $118. Now $118 is or will be your next resistance, intermediate or short term target, and the resistance as well. So unless the stock moves and sustain above 118, $119, it should not move towards $180, which is the big target which one should look for this particular stock. But the thing is, the stock has indeed made a big breakout, and the way it is moving, if it is moving in the same way, obviously 180 is not a big task, but technically there are levels which one should look, and for the safety of the trade, for the safety of your profits and your principal amount, one must not violate one must not violate the rules and the support and resistance, and one should follow it accordingly. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.